You know what his problem is, right? He's just jumping straight to the sale. Hey guys, my name's Chris Americos with teaching-revolution.com, and one of the coolest things that I get to do is I get to help teachers take what they're already doing with teaching and turn that into a teaching business. So that means that they get to start working independently. A lot of them, they're working in a language school or they're working in some kind of educational organization, and they want to learn how to take what they're already doing with teaching and start making money from that on their own. And so they come to me with all of these questions. They say, Chris, I've never sold what I'm doing to people before, so I don't really know how to sell that. Or they say, I used to have lessons or courses that were selling really good, and now not so much. So they come to me and they say, how can I basically get people to buy my courses or my lessons or whatever it is that I'm selling? And, usually that requires me to go in and tell them to do less. And I know that probably sounds funny, right? Because a lot of people think that in order to sell something more, you have to do more, or that you have to add more things or give people more things. And, that's partially true because there is something that you need to be giving them, and that's not a sales pitch. So what you need to be focusing on if you really want to get clients and you really want to take what you're doing with teaching already to the next level and start making money from that, then what you need to do is you need to focus on helping them. I know it might sound like something novel, right? I mean, it's common sense, but you'd be surprised how many people skip that part. So this is what I usually see. Teachers are out there and they say, hey, this is me, I teach this, buy. Hey, look at me, I do this, buy. And if it sounds funny to you, just imagine how it sounds to their students, or their potential students rather, because they're not really getting a lot of people paying them. So instead, here's what we want to do. There's really 3 steps. And so the first step is we need to focus on creating some kind of value. And this isn't just any value out there. It's the value that our specific students, or the students who we want to have, the value that they're looking for. So what we need to do is we need to understand what they want to learn. If they want to learn something, then we need to show them that we are the person with the answer. We can help, and we need to actually help them and push them down this path. So, if I was teaching English, for example, then I would start to show them how they need to learn English. And I would actually give them free material, free lessons, and I would start helping them for free. Now, that might sound all good in theory, right? But how do you get yourself in front of the right people? Well, that's another thing that a lot of people ask me. And really what you need to do is you need to find the right people, and you need to find those people in a certain area or a group, and then you can place something in front of them that they want to see. And how do you know they want it? Just by listening to what they're talking about. So it's really actually very easy. So that was step 1. You need to create some value and put that in front of them. Second of all, you need to listen. You need to listen to what they're saying, and you need to actually follow through. So if they're telling you, hey Chris, that was great, and now I'd like to know about this thing, then why not follow up and give that to them, right? Why not build that goodwill and that trust and build that relationship? Because long term, that's going to benefit you a lot more than you just saying, hey, this is me, buy. And number 3, the third step of this whole process, is you do need to make an offer. So that's another thing that a lot of teachers lack. They go out there, they say, okay, value, 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 trust, 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 but then they never say, go over here and buy my course. Go over here and sign up for lessons with me. And how is anyone ever going to sign up for lessons with you if you don't tell them how they can do it, right? So that's what I help a lot of people with. They come to me when they're looking for, they're looking out there on the internet. There's a lot of people out there. There's a lot of experts out there. And they go out and they're trying to figure out how to monetize their teaching activities. And then they come to me and they say, Chris, we've gone to all the other experts. What do you have to say about this? Can you help me? And I say, yes, I can. So if you want help with this too, I can absolutely help you. It doesn't matter what you teach. I can help you find students. Our system, our process has proven to work with all kinds of people, so I'd be happy to help you with it. All you need to do is go over to our website and you'll figure out how to do it. Actually, there should be a button somewhere around this video. So when you see that button, just click it and you can go over there and there's actually going to be a free video that you can watch, and it'll explain how everything works. So if you really like this video, then and if you found this video useful, go ahead and share it with your friends, because why not spread the value around, right? And thanks a lot for watching. I will definitely see you very, very soon. Take care.